Hello, bebes! Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be sharing with you this TikTok trending recipe, a homemade remedy for colds and cough. Since it's flu season, so this is a very easy recipe. I hope it helps and enjoy, guys. Okay, so let's start with our main ingredients, which is lemon, honey, and of course turmeric powder. So itong ratio na to, ito yung suggested ng mga gumawa na nito previously sa TikTok, and of course our jar para may lagayan. So first, we just have to cut our lemon into thin slices. Kailangan daw thin para lumabas yung pulp. Ayan. So tanggalin natin, maliban sa sticker din sa finger ko, yung mga buto ng lemon. We need to remove it para hindi siya mapait.
Wow!
Ayan, tanggalin mo lang, girl. And after nating matanggal, we just have to cut each slice into half. Yan, parang boat or smiley face. Ayan, yan, hindi ko maintindihan kung paano ko siya na-slice ng ganyan, pero basta thin, basta manipis, ganun. Okay, just have to finish off everything. Napakadali niya lang gawin, guys. Okay, so I need to measure half a cup of this honey. That's why I used measuring cup kasi hindi naman ako cookerist. So, medyo mahina tayo sa tansya. Ayan na. And I pour it in a jar or lagayan. Ayan. Mas maganda kasi yung nakikita mo, diba? And next, we just have to put 2 tablespoons of turmeric powder into our concoction. Ayan. Sige, kaya mo yan, girl. Our first tablespoon of turmeric and another one. So, kung gusto nyo mang gawin siya in a bigger amount, you can just double the ratio, I think. Ayan, and then mix it. Mix it up to the consistency that you want. Dapat mahalo siya ng mabuti. Chemist ka, girl. O, ayan na. After that, we put in our sliced lemon. Hindi ko din alam kung bakit inisa-isa ko pa. Pwede naman kasing isahan na lang dyan siya ilagay. Ayan. Dikdikin mo. I-mix ulit with the turmeric and the honey. Ayan. So, pwede na daw yan for 2 weeks, yung mixture na yan. Depende kung ilan kayong gagamit siguro. Ayan na siya, guys. Oops, sayang. OMG. Ayan na. So, titimplahan ko na si mother. Papatikim natin sa kanya kung ano bang lasa nitong ating spell. Charing. Potion. Which ka, girl? O, ayan. Haluin mo lang. Ako dinagdagan ko pa ng lemon para bongga. Ang daldal ko pero hindi ko na sinabay. So, let's put in the hot water. Pwede mo naman siyang ma-enjoy whether hot or cold. Kayo nang bahala kung anong trip nyo. Ayan. So, eto na siya, guys. Ayan yung lemon. Makikita nyo yung pulp. Andyan na siya. And just dilute it. And let your mommy drink it. Yeah, it's hot. So, mommy, you taste it if it's good or what. Okay guys, so that would be all, and thank you again for watching my video. Ngayon lang ako ulit nakapag-vlog kasi I'm so busy.
Wow!
Wala ko masyadong alam na content and mahirap din mag-edit guys. So thank you so much. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Keep safe everyone. Bye!